Hello to all those who are watching my video, and this is the video for the students of class 11th biology. And in the previous video also I have covered the topic invertebrates, that is from the Porifera to Aschelminthes. Okay, so again the same thing means invertebrates are continued in this video, and in this video we will study Annelida to Echinodermata. Okay, these all phylums we will study. So begin with the phylum Annelida. Okay, so organisms which come to this phylum, which belongs to this phylum, they may be aquatic or terrestrial. They have the bilateral symmetry, and most important is they are segmented with organ system level of organization. You have seen the earthworm, Nereis. Okay, so they have the lateral appendage parapodia, and that is for swimming. Okay, you can say for the locomotion. And nephridia is there which help in the osmoregulation and excretion. Okay, and if we talk of their neural system, so they are in the form of ganglia. Okay, they have the cords and have the ganglia, and they are dioecious. They may be dioecious or monoecious one. So earthworm, leech, Nereis, they all come to this category. You can see in this slide. Okay, these are annelids one, and next phylum is Arthropoda. Okay, the very important thing is that this is the largest phylum of animals. And why this is largest one? Because it has a class. It has a class Insecta. And you know, out of 10, if we say of out of 10 invertebrates, 7 are insects one. Okay, so Insecta class, because of the class Insecta, this phylum is the largest one. Okay, all the insects comes to this phylum. Okay, so they have the organ system of organization. They are triploblastic, coelomate, bilateral symmetry, and one important again thing is they have chitinous exoskeleton. ओके, सभी ने कॉकरोच देखा है ना? हाँ, कॉकरोच के बॉडी के ऊपर ब्राउन कलर का कुछ हार्ड सा मेम्ब्रेन होता है. दैट इज एक्सोस्केलेटन मेड अप ऑफ कार्टीन. ओके, कार्टीन का बना हुआ करता है. एंड आर्थ्रोपोड्स, द बॉडी कंसिस्ट ऑफ हेड, थोरैक्स एंड एब्डोमेन. एंड उसका नाम आर्थ्रोपोडा क्यों पड़ा? आर्थ्रोपोडा मीन्स ज्वाइंटेड एपेंडेजेस. ज्वाइंट्स हुआ करते हैं. दे हैव द, जैसे मकड़ी को देखा होगा, ठीक है, इनके पैरों में, हाउस फ्लाई को देखा है, इनके पैरों को देखो कैसे ज्वाइंट्स होते हैं, ठीक है ना, स्मॉल पीसेस होते हैं, जगह जगह पे टर्न होते हैं, तो दैट इज ज्वाइंटेड एपेंडेजेस. ओके, so they have the jointed exoskeleton as well, and organs for respiratory may be gills, may be lungs, and insects have the tracheal system. Okay, जो insects होते हैं उनके पास tracheal system होता है, and they have the open circulatory system. Okay, and for the excretion they have the Malpighian tubules. For sense they have antenna, compound eyes. These are, so all those insects, lac insects, spider, housefly, silk moth, honeybees, mosquitoes, they all come to this category. Some of them you can see here. Okay, now next one is phylum Mollusca. Okay, so mollusca means these are soft bodied animals. Okay, they may be terrestrial or aquatic one, bilateral symmetry, and triploblastic and coelomate one, and their body is divided into head, muscular foot, and visceral hump. Okay, that and unsegmented and means their body. Okay, their body is unsegmented and covered with calcareous shell and a thin fleshy fold or outgrowth of dorsal body wall that means more or less it covers the body. This fold you need to know, this is called mental. Okay, so this is the extension of dorsal body wall, and they have the feather like gills, and that is present between the hump and the mental. Okay, and mouth, it contains file like rasping organs for feeding, and that is called as the रेडुला. So in mollusca there comes सबने सीपी देखा है, शंख देखा है, means जितने snails होते हैं, यूनियो, पाइला, octopus, they all come to this phylum. Okay, ये mollusca में आते हैं. And next one, phylum Echinodermata. Echino. Okay, dermata. This word means spiny skinned animals. ठीक है, मीन्स इनकी स्किन जो होते हैं उसमें स्पाइंस की तरह निकले हुआ करते हैं. एंड देयर इकिनोडर्मेटा की बात करते हैं तो सबसे पहले दिमाग में स्टार फिश को रख लेना चाहिए. ओके, हम उस तरीके के ऑर्गेनिजम्स के बात कर रहे हैं. सो देयर एक्सोस्केलेटन इज ऑफ कैलकैरियस ऑसिकल्स. दे आर मरीन ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं वो. And remaining is that triploblastic coelomate. The important what about unique feature in them is they have the water vascular system, and this water vascular system, this helps in locomotion, capture of food and respiration. So this is a unique feature. Okay, water vascular system, this is a unique feature in them. Unique features means one is that is their skin is spiny, and second is they have the water vascular system. And organisms, I told you, the comes in this phyla comes starfish. Okay, sea cucumber, you can see here, these all comes to echinodermates. यहाँ तक इनवर्टिब्रेट्स है. इसके बाद वाले वीडियो में हेमिकॉर्डेटा cover hoga. Okay, so this is here completed the invertebrates. Thank you.